Welcome to the kneeling or seated bicep curl. Now, we're going to focus on one arm at a time, which makes this a single arm kneeling or seated bicep curl. So let's look at the kneeling position first. The reason we're kneeling is so that we can activate the core even more. So you lower both arms down to a 45-degree angle, and then you start to complete the full amount of reps with the one arm before you then switch to the other arm. As you can see, when you switch between the two arms, the resting arm is held in a 45-degree angle. You're exhaling as you curl, and you inhale as you release the dumbbell all the way down. Really activate that core. Now, let me show you what this looks like on a bench. So if you're sat on a bench in the gym, you want to lower that bench down so that you're not sitting up straight. So a little bit of an incline on the bench. Again, the same form. We inhale as we release the dumbbell down. We exhale as we curl all the way up. The benefit of doing this on a bench at a slight incline is that the lowering phase is even more extended. So you're really pulling into the entire bicep, elongating the actual muscle, which is great. So remember, you're keeping that core activated. And if you are on a bench in the gym, I'm just going to show you from the side. As you can see here, it is at a slight incline. So you want to just have it just one peg down from being straight. So as long as you're at a slight incline, you'll get the full benefit of the full extension on the way down, and then bringing that dumbbell all the way back up. Keep that core nice and tight. Exhale as you come up, inhale as you release all the way down.